Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for joining our presentation today, and I will start by saying a few words about our background. My name is Srifortune Akna, and I am here working and also presenting our business model canvas with my colleagues, Ega Fahira and Hana Silvi Agustiana. Three of us are the third-year students at Universitas Negeri Malang, and currently we major in accounting education. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is about our new business named Laundry in Aja, and in this occasion we are going to present our Laundry in Aja business model canvas. In our presentation, we will focus on 10 topics. There are company profile, key partners, key activities, key resources, customer segments, value proposition, revenue streams, customer relationships, channels, and cost structures of our business. First of all, I'd like to give you an overview of our business profile. So, Laundry in Aja is a laundry service company that offers a wide selection of laundry and drying services with guaranteed quality. Laundry in Aja makes it easy for those of you who don't have much time to wash clothes at home. We offer various good offers ranging from clothes pickup services to various promos that we provide at certain periods. Download Laundry in Aja app on your phone and don't miss special offers from us.
To make our business run smoothly, we have to collaborate with some parties as key partner of Laundry in Aja, such as several suppliers like supplier of laundry soap, fragrance, fabric softener, and then the supplier of washing machine and dryers, also the supplier of hanging cloth fragrance. Moreover, we have to collaborate with application developer too, for purpose of developing our mobile application.
To create value in our business, we do some activities such as buying laundry supplies, doing the laundry process, checking the customer's orders through mobile application, packing the orders, and doing delivery and pickup orders to make it easier for our customers.
As model of business, we have a list of key resources of Laundry in Aja that having purpose to support of reaching our value proposition. Those are some employees, then several equipment and supplies like laundry soap, fragrance, and fabric softener. Laundry in Aja also have laundry and administrative room as one of the key resources.
In this session, I will explain about customer segment. The determination of customer segmentation is based on the reality that occurs in society where many people don't have time to do housework such as washing clothes when they are busy or having a pretty tiring day. Therefore, Laundry in Aja target employees and students as its market segmentation. So, Laundry in Aja is here to solve their problems by providing service in the form of laundry clothes.
To make customer performance more efficient and more effective, we unify system via mobile application. We also offer different choices of laundry finishing time, start from D+1, and in order to take care of our beloved customers, we also use hygienic and best laundry supplies. Lastly, to make it easier for our customers, we offer clothes pickup service too.
The main source of Laundry in Aja's revenue come from our service laundry and sales of hanging cloth fragrance as an additional funds.
Okay, in this slide I will explain about customer relationship. To maintain good relation with customer, Laundry in Aja hold customer discount such as discounting price on certain days. For example, on Friday we hold a Jumat Berkah discount for customer. In addition, Laundry in Aja also hold promotion based on customer point and holds giveaway every month. It aims to make customer feel comfortable and to increase customer trust. Okay, in this slide I will explain about channels. In the business development process, it's necessary to cooperate with other parties. It aims to attract customers with our business, namely laundry in Aja. Therefore, it's necessary to build a relationship by promoting through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. In addition, we from Laundry in Aja also do endorsement and make brochure to attract customer interest.
The type of costs incurred in creating value of Laundry in Aja are cost of purchasing supplies, machine purchase and maintenance costs, building rental fee, transportation costs, telephone and electricity costs, cost of setting up and maintaining the mobile application, and employee salary. Thank you all for being here today and taking the time to passionately listen to what we have to say. We wish you all a blessed day, and if you have a problem in laundering clothes, Laundry in Aja.